right, guys, good job. I'll see you next week. Sarah, I want to talk to you for a second. I thought it'd be really cool between some of the sketches if you could just put together sort of an outtake blooper reel of See Sarah Cook stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I will see you next week.
But like not really in depth, but it like gets in her psyche. Bye guys. Oh, bye.
Oh hey, how did it go?
He wants me to record a blooper reel, like, for the sketch show, and I don't have any bloopers, so that'll be interesting. No, fuck it. Hey, get my camera.
Huh?
Get my camera.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, today on See Sarah Sook Stuff. Today on See Sarah Cook Stuff, we're gonna be making coconut cookies. Get out of cookie sheet. Oops. Start with some coconut oil. Oops, I forgot to put on my apron. Hey, get off the counter. Add the sugar to the coconut oil. Uh-oh, that's not sugar, that's heroin. Have to make sure the ingredients are well incorporated. Oh no, I forgot to put on a shirt. At this point, give it a little taste to make sure. Fuck, that's disgusting. After you've added in the flour, you'll. Oh no, I'm completely naked. Crumble in the pecans says, oh no, Brad Pitt mysteriously teleported into my kitchen. Oh no, I turned into a cat. When you form the cookies, make sure. Oh no, Brad Pitt mysteriously teleported into my kitchen and I'm naked. Oh no, gravity has reversed itself. Now be careful when you're preheating the oven, otherwise